In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to look up a Salesforce error ID. Whether you're troubleshooting an error message or simply looking to understand its origins, this guide will help you navigate through Salesforce to find the insights you need. We'll explore both the official Salesforce Help Center and some in-depth diagnostic tools available within Salesforce itself. To get started, open your web browser and search for the Salesforce Help Center. This is a crucial resource for anyone working with Salesforce as it contains a wealth of articles and information. Click on the link for the Help Center to access this trove of knowledge. Once there, locate the search bar prominently displayed on the page. Go ahead and type in Salesforce Error ID. Performing a search here will often direct you to articles that not only explain the error you're experiencing, but also provide potential solutions to the problem. If these articles don't lead you to a resolution, don't worry. There's another method we can explore directly within Salesforce. Head over to the Setup menu. By clicking the gear icon you'll find in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. In the Setup menu, use the search function to find debug logs. This is an excellent tool for investigating problems as it records the events in Salesforce and can help you understand what's happening under the hood. Once you've opened debug logs, click on New to create a fresh trace flag. This trace flag is particularly useful as it allows you to capture a detailed log for the user experiencing the error. With this setup, try to reproduce the error within Salesforce. The idea here is to generate a log that includes the error, giving you concrete data to analyze. After reproducing the error, return to the debug logs page. You'll now see a log that has captured those operations. Open the log you just created and scrutinize it for entries like fatal error, exception thrown, or flow element error. And these lines can often highlight the crux of the problem, pointing you towards a specific issue in your custom code or configuration. If you're still unable to resolve the issue after reviewing the debug log, or if the error seems to arise from Salesforce's core functionality rather than your custom setup, it might be time to contact Salesforce support. With their expertise, they can further investigate the problem and offer additional guidance. By following these steps, you should be able to pinpoint and resolve Salesforce error IDs efficiently. Remember, troubleshooting can be a process of trial and error, so don't get discouraged if you don't find the solution immediately. Keep analyzing the logs, referring to help articles, and leverage the Salesforce community when needed. Good luck and happy troubleshooting.